As far as Wet and Wild, I did call them up after my last video. It was Tuesday I did my last video, and they just kept telling me that, blaming it on COVID, and again, I don't understand how Ulta can ship stuff out in 2 days and they can't. And so they created the next. And I sent them an email too, and they were like, we need to consider the safety of our workers with this COVID. We're really sorry, but this is just taking longer than usual. I understand that, but why is it that I haven't experienced this with any other company I've ordered from? I just haven't. I order yarn, I order makeup, I order Amazon, I ordered yarn. I'm trying to think if there was any other companies, but there's been companies that I order from: Joann's, Hirschner's, Yarn Inspirations for yarn. And I don't go through this. This is ridiculous. And so anyway, and I also told them, yeah, but you can ship out small orders and you can send out free promo boxes, but those of us who paid gotta wait. So the next day I got a shipping label. And I already know how they are. They'll give you a shipping label within 3 days, but it still doesn't ship out for at least a week. Sometimes a little bit longer. And that's why I thought I wouldn't get it in 2 weeks, but we're already in three weeks now. And it's still in the shipping label created. Whenever I check FedEx, all it says is shipping label has been created. It has not been brought to FedEx, nor has FedEx come to pick it up. So people they're angry about that. They're saying that they should have at least shipped it out express, making everybody wait this long. But no, they shipped it out the cheapest way possible, which I hate. I hate short post, because it's switching too many hands, and that's how things get lost. So basically, FedEx will pick it up and they will decide if they want to drop it off at the post office. And then you have to wait for them to drop it off at the post office. And then the post office, you have to wait for them to deliver it. I hate that. This is why it takes so long to get a package from Wet n Wild. But once in a while, they do this with UPS and FedEx, but once in a while, they'll say, oh, well, we have a lot of packages for your area anyway, we'll just drop it off. So that's what I'm hoping for with this. So it's just been sitting there with the shipping label created, but nothing's happening. One time I got an email after the shipping label was created saying that something sold out, which makes no sense. So anyway, what I like about Amazon is they don't charge you until it's actually shipped, and so people are complaining, saying they took the money out immediately, but they're taking forever to ship it. And now that it's in the shipping phase, hasn't even been taken to the FedEx, nor has it been picked up. So people are really pissed off about that. So somebody, I was checking, because people, they comment on when I make a post to Wet n Wild, they'll comment under it, and they said that they called today because they were upset, what's going on. And just like if they told me in 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, and then studentship, they're saying, oh, definitely FedEx is coming today to pick up the packages. So let's see what happens with that.